So this is the environment of Google Sheets. So as you can see, may mga letters sa taas and that is what we call the column. And yung mga numbers naman sa gilid, that is the rows. And also yung mga small boxes dyan, that is what we call the cell. Sa pagkuha naman ng cell number, titignan nyo lang kung saang column and row nakatapat yung cell. For example, itong number 14. So as you can see, nakatapat siya sa column B and row 3. So basically, si number 14, ang cell number niya ay B3. So dito naman we have the different kind of operators. Una is the arithmetic operators, which is the basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponent, and combination. We also have the text operators, wherein we have the ampersand, upper and lower. Comparative operators para sa mga may condition na formula like greater than, less than. Preference operators, and the common functions. Now, let's try creating basic formulas. So, laging tatandaan na kapag gumagawa ng formula, laging magsisimula with the equal sign. So, for example, here we have addition. Ipag-add natin si 10 and 50. So, it will always start with the equal sign. Then, kukuhanin natin yung cell number ni 10 and ni 50, which is B2 and C2. Ayan, as you can see, dahil addition po yung operation, we use the plus sign. So, for subtraction, we have 400 minus 200. So, it's equals B3 minus C3. Since it's subtraction, so, minus po ang gagamiting sign. For multiplication, it's equals B4 asterisk C4 dahil yan po ay multiplication. And for division, we have equals B5 slash C5. So that means 80 divided by 8 equals 10. For exponent, B6 arrowhead C6. So 5 raised to the second power, that is 25. So that's how we get it. Next is we have the average. So for the average, we have the following example. So as you can see, there are grades in 8 subjects. So, in real life, ang pagkuha natin ng average, it includes 2 operations, right? So, add and divide. Pero dito po kay Google Sheets, meron tayong tinatawag na equals average. And then, pwede na natin kuhanin lahat yan. So, pwedeng gawin natin equals average, open parenthesis, kuhanin lang natin lahat ng cell number ng mga grades. So, J1, J2, J3 hanggang J8. And then close, enter. So we got the 87.5, which is the average for the 8 subjects. Pero masyadong mahaba yan, diba? So ang pwede natin gawin is to get the range. So pag range naman po, yung pinakauna lang and yung pinakadulo yung kukuhanin natin, which is si J1 and si J8. So gagamitin naman natin doon ay si colon. J1 colon J8. Okay, so if we want to get the average for given one, for example, so equals average, open parenthesis, B2 colon B10 to get the average of given one. Pero kung gusto naman natin kuhanin lahat ng average ng given 1 and given 2, so papalitan lang natin yung B10, gagawin nating C10. So ibig sabihin yan, buong range ng given 1 to given 2, that is B2 to C10. Next naman, minimum. Ganun ulit, kunin natin yung minimum pinakamababa sa given 1 and sa given 2, which is number 2. So, gagawin lang natin equals min, open parenthesis, B2 to C10. Pag maximum naman, pinakamalaki, equals max, open parenthesis, B2 colon C10, and close parenthesis. And count naman, basically si count, bibilangin niya lang kung may laman yung cell o wala. So, regardless kung ano yung laman ng cell, basta may laman yan, that is counted as 1. So, yung buong bilang ni given 1 and given 2, that is 18. So, pag kinount natin yan, dapat ang lalabas ay 18 dahil lahat naman ng cell ay may laman. Pero pag nagtanggal tayo, nag-delete tayo, as you can see, nababawasan din yung count niya. So, that is count. Dito naman sa text operator, this is for text formatting. So, we have ampersand, upper, and lower. So, si ampersand po, ang ginagawa niya is pinagdudugtong niya yung mga magkakahiwalay na cell. So, here in this examples, you can see magkakahiwalay yung last name, first name, and middle name. And the result, is magkakasama na sila. So, we use ampersand. So, hindi po natin yan tinype. We use a formula. We use the ampersand sign. So, you can see equals G11 ampersand. Yung mga spaces po dyan is basically for spacing purposes para hindi magkakadikit. Dahil kung wala yung mga spaces, magkakadikit lang talaga yan. So, pangit namang tignan yon. So, ayun lang naman ang gamit ni ampersand. And kapag gusto naman natin gawing uppercase letter lahat ng text, so we just use equals upper. And then the cell, kung ano yung gusto nating naka-uppercase lahat. Kung gusto naman natin lowercase, so we use equals lower para small letters lahat. So, dito naman, mga comparative operators, kakailanganin natin to para sa paggawa ng mga formula with conditions. So, yung mga equal, greater than, yan, less than, greater than, equal, less than, equal, not equal, also the reference operators. So, dito, sa paggawa ng formula with condition, so, importante na alam niyo yung range na tinatawag natin, and we also have the criteria, which is the labeler value that determines if it is to be counted, and it is denoted by a quotation mark. Okay, so unahin na natin si average. So, kanina napag-usapan na natin si average, yung pagkuha ng average. So, simple lang naman. Okay, halimbawa dito sa pagkuha ng average, so we just simply type equals average, open parenthesis, then the range. No, kung ano man yung kukuhanan natin ng average, which is here, B6 colon B9, then close parenthesis. So, 83 will be the average for the 4 subjects. So, it's up to you kung gusto nyo lagyan ng decimal point or whole number lang. So, madali na yan. Then, next, sa average if naman, okay. So, dito na mag-uumpisa yung with condition. So, sabi dyan, average the quality rated by female. So, ilan lang ba yung female dyan? We have 3, Anna, Jane, and Princess. So, yung mga quality lang daw na nirate nila, ayun lang yung i-average natin. So, here, our formula will be, okay, equals average if, so, ilalagay lang natin, hindi natin pipiliin na hindi natin iiwanan si Mario at si Lucas. So, kasama pa rin po sila. It's just that, mafi-filter out dahil maglalagay tayo ng condition which is female and closed by a quotation mark. Okay. So, basically, kung i-compute natin yan ng mano-mano, ang average ng quality na ni-rate ni Anna, Jane, and Princess is 5 plus 3, that's 8 plus 4, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Tama? So, ayun po. So, dapat 4 yung makukuha nating sagot. So, paano natin yun makukuha? Through a formula. So, this is the formula. Equals average if. So, hindi naman natin kailangan yung range ng name. So, hindi kasama yung D. Kukuhanin lang natin is range ni gender, E7 colon E11, comma, then yung condition na female, and then comma, and then yung quality F7 colon F11, then close parenthesis. By that, makukuha na natin yung average na ni-rate ng mga female. So, as you can see, hindi natin pinili na porke babae lang yung hinihingi, isa-select lang natin yung sa girls lang. Hindi. So, pati yung boys, kinuha pa din natin yung range nila. Pwede natin yung palitan yan, gawin nating male. So, si Mario at si Lucas, 10 and 4, 10 plus 4, that's 14, divided by 2, that is 7. So, that's the average rated by male naman, kapag male yung ilalagay natin. So, depende kung ano yung ilalagay ninyo sa criteria. That's for average if. Next is we have count and count if. So, sa count kanina, diba nasabi na natin na bibilangin niya lang kung may laman yung cell or wala. So, basically, kung bibilangin natin itong 18, 7, 11, 5, and 12, that's 5. So, ang lalabas talaga is 5. So, ang magiging formula lang natin for that is equals count A19 equals count, open parenthesis, A19 colon A23 kung bibilangin natin yung mga cell na yan. Okay, so that's basically 5. Para pag nagtanggal tayo dyan ng isa or dalawa, yan, mababawas din yung count niya. Kasi nga, mawawalan ng laman yung cell. Next, punta naman tayo sa may condition which is si count if. Ang condition is count the numbers that is greater than 10. So, ilan ba yung greater than 10 dyan? So, we have 18, that's 1. 11, 2, and 12. So, tatlo lang yung pasok sa condition na greater than 10. So, paano natin yung gagawin? Through a formula. So, we have it equals count if, open parenthesis, yung range, A19 colon A23, then comma, then quotation mark, greater than 10. So, again, tatlo lang yung pumasok sa criteria, kaya tatlo po yung lalabas na sagot. Pero, kung gagawin natin yung 11, halimbawa, greater than 11. So, ilan na lang kaya yung magiging sagot? So, we have 2. Kasi hindi na papasok si 11 kasi greater than 11 nga. Hindi naman greater than or equal to 11. Okay, so yun lang naman. Ayun yung gamit nung greater than, less. Dito naman same lang din, pero meron tayong 2 criteria which is count the number that is green and greater than 9. So, tatlo yung pasok sa criteria na green and greater than 9. So, ito yung formula natin. D19 and E19 colon E23. Ayan yung mga range na kakailanganin natin for the condition. Next is we have the sum if, and sum ifs. So, si sum, para mas madali kayong makapag-add, pwede nyo gamitin equal sum, then get the range. So, halimbawa, A30 colon A34, makukuha nyo na yung sum ng range na yan. Then, for sum if, meron na tayong condition. Ano yung condition ni sum if? Sum of numbers that is greater than or equal to 10. So, lahat lang ng greater than or equal to 10, ayun lang yung i-add niya. So, ilan yon? So, we have 1, 2, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Ayan yung mga pasok sa criteria. So, si 5, hindi siya pasok kasi hindi naman siya greater than or equal to 10. So, formula natin for that is equal sum if, open parenthesis, A30 colon A34, comma, quotation mark, greater than or equal to 10, quotation mark, close parenthesis. So, we have 17. Okay, next is we have the sum if. So, ang condition naman natin kay sum if, sum of blue numbers. So, ilan lang ba yung blue dyan? So, we have 10, 1, and 3. Ayun lang yung mga under ng blue number. So, that's 14. Ano natin yan makukuha? Through a formula. So, we have equals sum if, open parenthesis, D30 colon D34, then yung quotation mark, blue, tapos yung range na E30 colon E34, so we have 14. Then last one is we have the sum ifs. Ang criteria naman, sum of blue and green numbers. So, alin ba yung pasok sa criteria? So, we only have yung last one. Ayan, palitan natin yung isa para dalawa. Blue-green, pasok. Okay. Blue-green, pasok. Then the rest, hindi kasi pasok sa criteria natin na blue-green. So, we have 5 and 15 lang. So, we have 20. So, ayan po yung ating formula for that. Sum ifs. Kasi dalawa yung criteria. Post nyo na lang. Kung medyo mabilis guys yung mga pagkakasabi ko, i-post nyo na lang yung mga formula para mag-gets ninyo. But that's it. That's it for formulas with conditions.